Now the next thing we need to check is the account balance. Okay, so we made some payments or we transferred some money from our account, and therefore we need to check if we have money. Okay, so this is going to be another get request. So I have to quickly do that, add new one, and then copy this one, the URL, and paste it over here. Let's request authorization. I don't think it is optional. X, environment, the subscription key, and all that. Let me quickly get them from the headers here. So the way you copy all of them, make sure it is under headers, paste, on target environment, paste this one, and get this one too, paste, and just organize like sandbox, and authorization. I need to first make sure I save get balance of the account. Okay, so account balance. I'll just save this as account balance. Get account balance. Okay, then save to the disbursement. And now let's just get it, send it, and service temporary unavailable. This thing again, let me send. Good. So available balance is minus 25 and the currency we're using is euro. I'll try it again. Unavailable, authorization field, target environment forbidden. Don't worry if you are seeing some of these things. The first time I tried this when I was getting these kind of errors, and I was wondering why I was getting all of these. Meanwhile, I've provided the right thing. So you click, and now you see you get the appropriate thing. The same thing, but I'm sure this is to let you know that these are some of the response types that you may get when you are trying to check your account balance. So you always try. So this is what I had for my balance, negative 25. It can be any other amount, but this is it. So let's move on to the next one quickly, which is about operation is used to check if an account holder is registered and active in the system. Oh, okay. I think this one we've done it before, but let's check with the disbursement how we'll be able to do that. So account holder ID and account holder ID active, then we send it. Okay, fine. I think we've done something like that, similar to this one. The collection API, we check if user is registered and active. This one, check if user is registered and active, where we send the extra the subscription and a number, okay, a number and then MSIFDN. So the first one is account holder ID type. So what the type of account is the user number to register, and then you provide that number. So if we are going to do the same thing, I think what I'll probably do here is to copy this one, duplicate it, and send this one into second folder and check the name. This is a copy, so I'll just edit the name and check if user is registered. And what I have to do is just provide the name and MSID and the number. I can provide any number at all. This is just to find out if you are being registered. So I'll just copy this. This one is very important. Now I'll paste it over here. And this is not collection, this is disbursement. Okay, so if we check the URL, it is disbursement. It's over here. I'll just copy it and then change it quickly. That is the reason why it failed to work. To send, and now we have okay. So result is true. So this shows that this user, okay, has been registered. So the party number validated according to the party ID type, which is a mobile number validated according to ID, blah 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 blah. So you can just read it. Okay, so this operation is used to check if an account holder is registered and active in the system. So this means I'm active and I'm registered in the system. Okay. So I think this will bring us to the end of the disbursement product. Bring us to the end of the disbursement product. All right. So guys, as usual, thank you for your participation in this lesson. And if you enjoy this series, if you enjoy these tutorials, kindly give me a thumb up, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel for more tutorials like this.